Hi, I'm Rugila and I'm an artist and hobbycraft artisan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an amazing home decor piece from resin. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft's channel and press the bell icon below to be notified of any future videos. When using resin, always cover your working surface. Wear a mask with respirator and gloves to protect your hands. Tape the back of the wooden house. Pour 20 ml of resin into a measuring cup and 10 ml of hardener into another measuring cup. Mix it 4 to 5 minutes. Pour it inside the wooden house and spread it over it. Leave it to dry for 24 hours. Come back next day to your project. Choose your message and find letters that you need. For this project, I decided to say Home Sweet Home. Stick letters into the house and paint them your chosen color. I chose to paint my house before adding second layer of resin, but you can do after your project is finished. Take some decorative leaves and place them inside the house. Mix the rest of the resin, pour it onto your design and use craft sticks to spread it. Use the heat gun if needed to get rid of any bubbles. Leave it for 24 hours to harden. Thanks for joining me today for this video. For more inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and a comment below. We would love to hear from you. See you soon for more videos.